Hi, what's up guys? Shaitan Singh here. Welcome back to Singh's Collection. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel and for your love and support. So जैसे कि आपने thumbnail में देख लिया होगा, today I'm gonna talk about private blends aka inspired fragrances from the house of Perfume Cart. Now आप इनको inspired fragrances कह लो या आपके language में clones कह लो, बात तो एक ही है. Now why I'm actually exploring a lot of inspired fragrances. जैसे कि आपको याद है पहले वीडियो में मैंने अमाफ परफ्यूम्स को रिव्यू किया था. इस वीडियो में मैं प्राइवेट ब्रांड्स को कर रहा हूँ और मैं आपको ये भी बता दूँ मैं और दो ब्रांड को रिव्यू करने वाला हूँ इंस्पायर्ड फ्रेग्रेंसेस के कैटेगरी में. देयर इज अ रीजन बिहाइंड दैट एंड द रीजन इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स रीच आउट टू मी सेइंग सर आप कोई ऐसी कंपनी बताओ जिनकी जो क्लोन्स बनाते हो या इंस्पायर्ड फ्रेग्रेंसेस बनाते हो जिनकी हाई क्वालिटी हो और जिनकी फ्रेग्रेंस मोर देन 80% सिमिलर हो एज कंपेयर टू द डिजाइनर फ्रेग्रेंस. नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट परफ्यूम का शौक बहुत महंगा है. अब डिजाइनर अब हर कोई डिजाइनर फ्रेग्रेंसेस हर कोई नीश फ्रेग्रेंसेस नहीं खरीद सकता है. एक बॉटल ऑन एन एवरेज 5, 6, 7, 8 हज़ार की आती है. सो अभी इसमें ऐसे में करें क्या? ऐसे में आपका जो गैप है वो फिल करता है इंस्पायर्ड फ्रेग्रेंसेस. Now I'm really embarrassed to say this, but in the fragrance community there are a lot of fake clones as well who actually sells at a very cheap rate और लोगों को लगता है कि यार इतना सस्ता है चलो लेते हैं. And this is exactly what is happening wrong in the community. लोग सस्ते क्लोन्स खरीदते हैं and then they create a negative impression. दे यू नो ऑल टुगेदर उनका जो पूरा एक्सपीरियंस है वो बिगड़ जाता है एंड क्लोन उनके नज़रों में गंदे हो जाते हैं. दिस इज द ओनली रीजन व्हाई आई एम एक्सप्लोरिंग हाई क्वालिटी इंस्पायर्ड फ्रेग्रेंसेस सो दैट you do not have to go and explore any other clone company. I'm giving you 4 options. You can select any one of them. You can trust any one of them blindly. मेरी guarantee है. Now what I'm gonna do in this video, these are 5 vials. इन सब के मुझे नाम भी पता है. एक है बुल्गारी वुड एसेंस, दूसरा है 1 मिलियन बाय पैको रबान, तीसरा है ब्लू दे शैनल, चौथा है वर्जाचे ऊद नोवार और पांचवा है डियोर सवाज. नाउ इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोना शफल देम आउट एंड दिस इज गोना बी अ ब्लाइंड टेस्ट. असली क्लोन की पहचान तभी होती है जब वो मोर देन 80% स्मेल करे एज कंपेयर टू द ओरिजिनल क्रिएशन. और आज इस वीडियो में मैं वही करने वाला हूँ. आई एम गोना शफल देम एंड आई विल पिक एनी वन ऑफ देम रैंडमली एंड आई विल टेस्ट हाउ सिमिलर डू दे स्मेल. if at all there is any ambiguity वो आपको सीधा सामने दिख जाएगी because I'm not gonna cut this video. एक टेक में वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. Okay, so I think shuffling is done. Let me take out some testing papers. Let me select this one. Okay, I don't know which fragrance is this. Let me test and let me tell you that this fragrance smells like what. Okay, let me tell you. See, असली क्लोन की पहचान वही है. If a particular clone is not smelling more than 80% as compared to the original creation, then it is just the waste of money. Okay. This smells like Dior Sauvage to me. Can I check? It is Dior Sauvage. It's fresh, highly refreshing, smells more than 80% similar to Dior Sauvage. Guys, I did not see it. As you can see, this was randomly picked by me and I'm not looking at any other clones as well. मेरे हाथों से गिर भी रहे हैं बेचारे clones. I don't prefer to call them clones. These are inspired fragrances. कड़ी मेहनत लगती है ये बनाने में. So you know you all should respect inspired fragrances. बहुत आसान नहीं है ये बनाना. Okay, fragrance number 2. That one was Dior Sauvage. जैसे कि आपने वीडियो में देखा होगा. अगर नहीं देखा है तो यहाँ पे देख लो. This is Dior Sauvage. Yeah. Right. Fragrance number 2. Okay. The only reason I did not see that. मुझे label दिखा. The only reason. Oh, what's wrong with this sprayer? The only reason is to show you how similar do they smell. This is Bleu de Chanel. Bleu de Chanel, yeah. Let me see. This is Bleu de Chanel. Look at that. Look at that. So that means it is actually smelling very similar to the original creations. And by the way, all are EDP concentrated. That means the amount of oil is very high in each one of them. All right, moving ahead to inspired fragrance number 3. Let me see how does this smell. Okay, which one is this? Just give me a minute. Okay, this is Bulgari Wood Essence, if I'm not wrong. Look at that. This is Bulgari Wood Essence. You can see that, Wood Essence. They smell so damn frigging similar, guys. Like, trust me. Though this is little bit lighter. This is little bit lighter as compared to the original creation. One second. Where is the original bottle? Yeah, this is the original one. This smells. This is little bit lighter. Let me spray this one here. Yeah, this one is empty. Just a minute. Oh yeah. That one is little bit lighter but smells very similar. Yeah. This one is a little bit lighter but smells very similar to the original ones. Yeah. Okay, I will tell you something more about these private blends, but after these testing. Okay, now I'm left with 2 more. Where is one more paper? There should be one more paper as well. Oh, it's here. Yeah. Okay, I'm left with 2 more. Let me see. Okay, this one is okay, this is my favorite. Bubblegum. Sweet. This has to be 1 million. This has to be 1 million. Look at that. 1 million. I told you guys. Very, very nice inspired fragrances. Smells very similar to the original ones. Now there is only one left and I know which one is this. So even if I see it, there won't be any cheating. Let's not say it, right? I know this one because there is only one left. Versace Oud Noir. Versace Oud Noir. If you are a big fan of oud fragrances, this fragrance is beauty. A very good fragrance for beginners, you know, who are actually getting into oud fragrances. They should start with Versace Oud Noir. Why am I saying this? Because the oud concentration is in this fragrance is not extremely. It's not added with a lot of concentration. The concentration of oud in this fragrance is moderate. It's in fact less than moderate. However, the oud fragrance in this one is fabulous. It's amazing, and similarly it is in this one as well. As you can see, I tried and I tested them in front of you guys. Any clones that you can actually smell and you can actually resemble with the original creation just like this, approve it without any second thought. Because if you are actually smelling to a certain certain clone company and they are actually not smelling similar to the original ones, do not buy it. Just stay away from that clone company. If you're struggling to think, oh my god, what does it smell like, what is this, what is that, then do not buy that particular fragrance. Do not buy that. Now these fragrances are highly similar to these original creations. You can buy them, there is no doubt about it. You can buy them 80% similar to the original creation. Now I'm actually gonna make one more video where I will be talking about 4 inspired fragrance houses, and in my opinion, as per my personal opinion, I'm gonna rate them. Which one is number 1, which one is number 2, number 3 and number 4. So I'm gonna come up with 2 more brands individually, and then probably my third video would be comparing video between these 4 companies. Alright, so I will test them. I will talk about the longevity in my third video where I'll be comparing all 4 brands. So for that, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Thank you very much.